DIY Vaporub shower melts. Cold and flu season is here. When these viruses hit our home, we like to be prepared with the items that we know work well for us so that we don't have to run to the store and try to find the best medicine. DIY Vaporub shower melts. Supplies needed: your favorite silicone mold, 3 tablespoons Vicks Vaporub, 1 cup cornstarch, 5-6 tablespoons water, blue and green soap colorant. Directions: 1. In a medium mixing bowl, add the cornstarch, Vaporub and 4 tablespoons of water. Stir well to mix the ingredients. 2. If the mixture still seems too dry, add more water as needed, up to 6 tablespoons, until a thick paste forms. 3. Drizzle 3-4 drops of the blue and the green soap colorants into the mixture and stir until you achieve your desired color. 4. Transfer the Vaporub paste into your silicone molds, filling up to the top of each mold. 5. Freeze for 2 hours to allow the shower steamers to harden. Once frozen, transfer to an airtight container or plastic Ziploc bag. You can keep it in the freezer until ready to use. How to use: place 1 Vaporub melt on your shower floor and allow the hot water to run over it. This will activate the vapors from the Vicks rub to cause a steam in your shower that will help ease a cold or congestion. Make these easy Vaporub shower melts and keep them on hand when any virus or stuffy nose occurs. These are great to have on hand in the freezer for the relief you need when a cold strikes.